And welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you were all fine and enjoying life well. So basically in today's video I'm going to talk about crochet work. That what is crochet work and which type of material we need in crochet work. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to share the ideas of crochet frocks. Bohemian maxi frock, a flowy long maxi frock with a loose fit and intricate lace patterns look very beautiful and amazing. If you want these type of ideas, leave the comments, so I will upload more these type of baby frock ideas for you. Crochet work is a handmade process. While knitting in the machinery process, most viewers get confused in it that which is handmade and which is machinery made, because mostly viewers love handmade things. They love the personality in handmade things, because handmade things are made with love and passion. So everyone wants their baby to wear passionate dresses. Their baby to wears beautiful dress with that made with lot of love. So viewers, in crochet work we use hook and other type of materials for standard of other type of materials. For example, yarn, crochet hook, and some cardboard cutouts for making like pom-poms, tassels, etc. First up is the classic A-line frock. The timeless design feature a fitted bodice that flare out gently, providing comfort and ease of movement. Apply for soft pastel colors or playful prints, and don't forget to add some cute buttons or a little bow for add extra charm. Next we have ruffled tire frock. The design incorporates multiple layers of ruffles, making it not only stylish but also fun for your baby to wear. And in this video I'm also going to share with you baby shoes designs ideas. I'm sharing these designs with you so that you can gain information, and I'm also going to give you information about more other types, for example baby frocks, baby shoes, etc. How do you like this video?